Hi guys, and welcome to a new week for Let's Draw. I thought we could use line of action again and use this with birds, and yeah, like I will just do 2 different sketches with you, like you can draw with me again, and each sketch will be 5 minutes, so 2 minutes was a bit too fast, so I think 5 minutes would be okay. So let's get drawing. I actually skipped a few, so because they were a bit too difficult to draw, I thought. So let's go with this little bird. And I'm trying to do just rough sketching. For this. Okay, I think I got a bit too big. Can I just transform? Make it a bit more smaller. Okay, like that. I'm also thinking about doing like human body things next week again. Maybe start with a face or just general shapes of human body instead of animals. Because I actually need to practice that more. I'm already like trying to practice that, and I thought that it would be also good to just practice for Let's Draw or in Let's Draw as well. Okay, here's this. Okay. Sorry, I'm concentrating. Again, these really weird bird feet are kind of funny. Oh, and last week someone actually recommended to draw sun parakeet, so I'm sorry that I forgot the name. I'm really bad with names, but I kind of hope that there will be one in this or the next one. Maybe I will click until I get something, or maybe until I get a good bird to draw, and maybe there's a sun parakeet in here as well. Sun parakeet? Is that right? I hope so. Okay, there's a lot of lines here, but I think I got the general shape of this as a rough sketch. And we still have almost 50 seconds to go. It's not too difficult, I think. And I think I'm making the beak longer and longer and longer. I don't know why. Okay, that's it. That's for the first one. Let's go to the second one. Oh, okay, let's go with this one. I was clicking a little bit. There was no sun parakeet in there, but this one. And I forgot the name of this bird. Oh my god. Even though I watched like a ton of videos of these birds like talking and singing and being loud. They are so cute. I really like them as well. But I forgot what they are called. I don't know what's wrong with me. I forget these things very fast. That's a funny eye. Okay, I think I have to make it smaller again. And I always tend to, this is very random, when I'm having like a bad day or like I need just 5 minutes to watch something funny or uplifting, I tend to watch like animal videos. And lately it has been a lot of like bird videos. I don't know why. I really like birds. Like parakeet. Oh man, that's a long feet. Or claws, not feet. They don't have feet. Bird feet. Well. I think I'm done, but there is still 35 seconds to go. But I think I'm done. So take your time if you're not done yet. But for a rough sketch, I think this is okay. Okay, that's it. That was 5 minutes. Yeah. So this is the second one. Let's just start with this one. Yeah, I think it's okay. They both have somewhat the same. It's not very, very difficult to draw these birds. I think there were pictures of birds that were a lot harder, so this is the first one, by the way. But once you have the shape, even though if it takes you like a lot of lines to get the shape, if it's a sketch, you can always, I don't know, erase the lines, or if you want to have like a clean sketch of this, try to use less lines. Which I still have to learn, but it's really difficult. So, and I kind of like the style of having a lot of lines, even though it's not very, I don't know, practical. Like, I would love to be able to make lines that are the right lines, even in the beginning, but that's difficult. So anyways, that was it for birds this week, and next week I hope we can do some, maybe even hands again. Let's try hands again, maybe. I don't know yet. I haven't decided yet, but it will be something from the human body again. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this, and see you next week. Bye!